Are you juggling 5 different tools to run your online business? Building funnels here, automating emails there, hosting webinars somewhere else. Stop right there. Let me introduce you to the ultimate all-in-one. Stay with me because, in the next 3 minutes, I'm about to show you how this tool can revolutionize your business, and yes, save you a ton of money. Systeme.io is your business in a box. It's got sales funnels, email marketing, online course hosting, webinars, affiliate management, and even e-commerce, all under one roof. No coding. No crazy learning curves. Just results. Let's start with funnels. Drag. Drop. Boom. Your funnel is ready. Whether it's landing pages, upsells, or checkout pages, Systeme.io makes it seamless. No tech skills required. Now, email marketing. Imagine automating your emails with a few clicks. From welcome sequences to abandoned cart recovery, Systeme.io has your back. And yay, no need for a separate MailChimp subscription anymore. Hosting a webinar? Easy. Live or automated, Systeme.io handles it like a pro. Say goodbye to pricey webinar software. Are you a course creator? Systeme.io lets you host and sell your courses effortlessly. Plus, you can even manage affiliates to boost sales. Talk about a win-win. Now, let's talk money. Systeme.io starts at just $27 a month. That's a fraction of what you'd pay for ClickFunnels, MailChimp, and Teachable combined. And yes, there's a free plan to get you started. But it's not all perfect. The design flexibility? A bit limited. And analytics? Basic. But for the price and what you're getting, it's a no-brainer. So, who's Systeme.io for? Entrepreneurs, course creators, marketers, small business owners, basically you if you're ready to simplify your life and scale your business. Click the link below and try Systeme.io for free today. Your business deserves better tools, and more profits.